Hello everyone, you're watching SQL for data analysts and data scientists. Current topic for this lecture is some function and how to execute and how to execute it within SQL queries. This is lecture number 12 given by myself, Shinaz Malik, and the core of this function is to teach you how to use some function within SQL queries. Okay, and remember the sum function returns the total sum of a numeric column. Okay, so this column is a numeric column. Okay, and this is simple syntax. What you have a numeric column and you give you pass it through some function, and that all you pass through select statement, and then of course from table and where condition and all that we have been talking in our past lectures. So let's quickly open Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and execute this query. I have made one query for all of you guys. So we are using again the same database. I'm not going to talk about this again and again. What we are going to do is find the sum of the line total from this table where product ID is equal to, for example, 717, and that's what I'm doing. If you see line total, and here is this table. Okay, if you see this table is here, and here is the line total. Okay, and that's what I'm summing up, and I'm just aliasing it as total sum per product because I'm talking about only this product, and from this table where product ID is this, and let's first execute it, although I have already executed it. So this is your total sum. Okay, now just as I always tend to do, try to explain for those who might be at beginners level, and show them how actually query is working, and I will try to quickly show what's the inside out of this query. Okay, so if we basically fetch everything from this table, okay, if we fetch everything, so what I'm going to do, see, I'm not putting any condition, I'm just saying select me all columns from this. So these are the all columns. Okay, now what we did, we basically selected if you know line total. Okay, so what you have basically here, you have sales order ID. Okay, sales order ID details, then you have carrier tracking number is there, order quantities are there. So if you have one order quantity and unit price is this, then line price will be same. But if you have, for example, three order quantity and the line price unit price is this, then it will be, this will be multiplied by this, and you will get the total price and line total. So what I mean to say here, now if we sum this thing, okay, that's how much we have made sale, right, for a particular product. So product ID are different, right? So for example, I'm saying 717. Let's see about 776. Okay, just to show you how this query works. So now what I want to know how many times I have I want to know how much sale I have made from this product ID. Okay, that's what it is. Basically I have to do it here, not there. What was this? 776. So I have to actually do it here. So if I now execute this query, so you see the total has changed. Okay, so for this product, although in the first line it is showing me 2024.994, okay, but of course we have sold it many times, and here I am getting that total, how much sale I have made from this product ID. And we can change it. Okay, for example, 777. Okay, you have this product ID 777. This is here, it's showing three times. It in this order, in this particular order, the quantity was ordered 3, the unit price is this, and the sales was this. And if we go down, if you see, you have 12,000 sorry, you have 121,317 rows are being fetched. So you have made quite some sales. So if you go down and you see the order ID, these product IDs might repeat with different customers. Okay, at when different orders are made. So let's see now about this 777. Okay, now again, sorry, it's not here. It's because I have to keep this alive. This I will do it here. Now if you understand, execute this. So here it is. So basically what I'm trying to explain is this is the way the sum works, sum function works. Okay, so I'm summing the line total, I'm giving it an alias, and this is from, and I can always change this product ID and I can come to know how much sales I have done. Or if you really and truly are not interested in particular product but you are interested in total sales, then basically all you have to do, you don't have to provide this where condition, and you can close the query here, and you will get, then if you execute this query and you get the total sales and whatever sales you have made in this, you are summing everything up in all these rows, and all those, basically these are orders. Okay, so you are basically summing up everything, and you can basically see then how much sales you have made. Now you can put various conditions, and for example, you might be interested in for some products, maybe you can say give where product ID is in, for example, give number of then product IDs, and that will also work, but this is the way actually we do it. Okay, so I hope that I have given enough I have given enough on it right now, and surely as we move into advanced level lectures, we will do some more complicated queries, but for now I think it's enough. And with that to say, it's time to say please subscribe, connect if you haven't until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. I hope to see all of you in my coming videos. Until then, thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professionals, and remember, sharing is caring. And with that, it's time to say goodbye.